As you all know, there is a growing demand for reliable unmanned aerial solutions that can provide a fast response to sudden events, that can perform long endurance, and to take the high resolution sensors. All this across all the public center. Also, I would like to share with you that if you're looking on the firefighting domain, the cost of wildfires only in the US is between $400 to $900 billion each year. My name is Mark Colton, and with me here my colleague here, Robert, and we are representing Attis Aviation. Attis Aviation is a company who is providing as a one-stop shop UAV solutions for various customers, from requirements definitions and up to delivery of the final product to the customers. As part of our growth, we are developing the ROC, a VTOL UAV system that is intended for public safety domain, with a focus on the first use case of firefighting, early detection and support of firefighting management. Neil, please tell us more about the ROC.
We are, in our knowledge and experience, working with a lot of stakeholders and end users. We realize that the main important factors in a UAV system are runway independent, mission flexibility, and rapid deployment and integration with the operational environment. How do we do that? How do we break the boundaries? First, certification. We understand in order to have missions in public safety, in order to have a reliable UAV, you have to go hand by hand with the authority. From day one of the design, that's what we intend to do. Second, integration to any ecosystem. We don't want to change the client. We want to focus on communicate with the client and go hand in hand with him, and then he can enjoy the benefits of this system without changing the entire ecosystem of the client itself.
So, just to summarize, we would like to invite all of you to our booth 554. We have a virtual reality experience. You can tour our VTOL the ROC through a virtual reality. Thank you.